In this video, we're going to transform this rhino into a low-poly geometric design. So let's start. Hello guys, so I'm going to start from here. So I have a rhino picture which I got from Unsplash. You can get free pictures from Unsplash. And now I'm going to go to the polygonal lasso tool and just create shapes on the rhino. So I'm going to zoom in on the rhino, and with the polygonal lasso tool, just create random shapes or whatever design you want on the rhino. So I'm going to create this shape. It's a nice geometric shape. And then close it and then go to Filter, Blur, Average, and it will mix all the colors underneath the selection. And now we need to create another shape, and we need to use the shortcut for what we did. So just go to Filter and Average, Alt Control F and press it, and it will just repeat the action with a shortcut. And that's what we do for all the rhino. So keep creating shapes and press Control Alt F and it will repeat the action. And keep doing the same shapes or different shapes, depends on your design. Alt Control F and keep doing more shapes. And I'm gonna speed the video because it's kind of the same all around. Just keep doing the same effect on all the rhino, and when there's like small details you can make small shapes and you'll have this kind of very nice geometric shape of the rhino. Try to create shapes on the light areas and shapes on the dark areas. So as you can see, I'm creating now shapes only on the dark areas because it will average and it will mix very dark colors. And when you do the shapes on a light area, it will mix a light colors. And you can see here, it's light. And now here it's dark. And when there's small details like the eyes, you can just make very small details, very small shapes to capture the eye. And now when you're done, we need to get the pen tool later on. So now we need to get the pen tool. I think we're done. Yes. So get the pen tool and select the whole rhino from the inside. Try not to select anything from the background. Select the rhino itself only. And when you select all the rhino, right click on it and make selection and press OK, and you will have a selection of the rhino, and press Ctrl J and you will have the rhino copied without the background. And now go to the background and start creating shapes on the background layer, which is the first layer. And now what's nice about that, when you create shapes on the background layer, it won't affect the rhino because you have another layer of the rhino on top. So now you can just go free and create different shapes. And you will have this very nice effect. I think we're done.